there, and welcome to Adwatec Webcast number 1 in year 2024. My name is Heikki, and today with me here is Ismo, who is in charge of sales and marketing.
Hello everyone.
So what could be better to start the new year than unboxing a new product? So let's do it.
Let's do it, yes.
So what we have here is ice.
That's right. It's ice. It's a very robust and compact cooling station and the device. And the purpose of this one is a little bit different than the typical and traditional Adwatec cooling stations.
Yeah, as you know, normally our cooling devices have been made for very robust environments and the cooling power ratings have been high. In ice, we have created a product that has low cooling power capability, and the focus market is industrial customer applications.
And let's talk about the size. Let's not let the size fool us. Actually, in fact, this cooling station is able to perform very high performance in terms of the liquid flow.
Yeah, if we look at the technical ratings of this device, the flow rating varies between 15 to 60 liters per minute, and the cooling power rating is around 30 kilowatts. Of course, these values vary a bit depending on the delta T, how much temperature difference we have available, and also on the heat exchanger selections. But roughly 60 liters, 30 kilowatts, that's where we move.
And this high performance is really based on these very well selected components. Heikki, would you please tell a little bit more about the parts and the components this device consists of?
Yes. So in this ice we have the same basic construction as we have in our heavy-duty cooling devices. So we have a reliable, robust pump, we have an expansion tank here, and then on the back here we have a heat exchanger. Here on the front we have a valve that adjusts the flow according to the heat requirements or demand in the customer application. We have quite a bit of metering included, so we have the pressure metering here. We have the liquid level monitoring and metering on the expansion tank here. We are measuring the temperature, and that pretty much is sufficient for this product. If we look at the design for ice, the basic design is always like this, except one thing, the pipes. So these pipes are the thing that vary customer by customer. Pipes are made according to the customer application and customer's specific dimensioning.
Very good. And really, like this equipment, like any Adwatec equipment, and the cooling stations are made for really very tough environments.
That is correct. So, ice, a very compact cooling device for industrial or lower power applications. So for more information, please contact Ismo in our sales and marketing. Otherwise, thanks for watching and keep it cool.
Keep it cool.